Hello everyone, my name is Manuel Diaz. I am the market manager for Brown Forman for the emerging brands. We are here today in Corona Cigar Lake Mary, where we want to have a tasting of Diplomático Rum. And today we have a special guest, Nelson Hernandez, the master distiller for Diplomático. We love working with Corona cigars because this is top-rated spirits and cigars place for us. They are a big supporter of Diplomático and Brown Forman. So we're going to go through today to all the distillery collections, the Reserva Exclusiva, the single vintage, and the Ambassador. Cheers!